morning once again. Nandito ulit tayo to give you, especially the kids, tips on how to play fundamental basketball, which is very important before they grow up and play against bigger and stronger opponents and in more tougher competitions. Today we are privileged. We have a surprise for you because we have a guest coming from a different nation, from abroad, a star women's basketball player. But later she will join us in our drills. Today we're going to tackle what they call in the States the Mikan drill. Mahalaga tong drill na to, especially sa mga batang nagsisimula pa lang mag-basketball, because na-encourage sila na gamitin lagi ang backboard at kumuha ng tamang anggulo sa pagtira sa malapitan or underneath the basket. Ito na muna, Ken will position himself with a nice angle. Mahalaga na naka-angle siya ng tama so he can use the backboard in shooting the ball. What he's going to do is to shoot the ball using the backboard, rebound, take one step, one dribble in the middle, and on the other side, rebound, one step, one dribble, paulit-ulit. More repetitions, the better. Pag nagsimula ang bata sa ganitong klaseng drill, madedevelop ang habit niya na maging sure ball. Kasi ang tendency ng mga ng mga bata na hindi pa gaanong alam ang fundamental basketball, they will place themselves dito sa side, and they will attempt to shoot the ball. Ang mangyayari niyan, most of the time ay lalagpas. Yes. Ganon. At sa gitna, syempre, marami rin mga bata na tumitira sa gitna using the backboard, which is not advisable. Sa gitna, as much as possible, you shoot using the ringless. Pero siya gano'n. Siya supply yun eh. Anyway, i-continue ng mga iba pa natin mga kids ang drill. Next, Caleb. Gagawin natin. Ang tawag dyan sa abroad is Mikan drill. I personally call it Wakali and Nanka drill. Ikaw magsalit. Okay, go Caleb. As you can see, Caleb is focused on the player. Taking a one step, one dribble and shoot. Another round. Yan. Kanya na-encourage lagi na ang player ay tumira na ginagamit yung tinatawag nating backboard. Kung makikita nyo, si Renz ay he's not using the angle properly, kaya sumasablay siya. Yan, tama na yung position niya. Try again. Kanina kasi medyo nasa gilid siya. Now, tingnan nyo, halos hindi na siya sumasablay sa mga sides. Na. Okay, that's it. At ito na po, i-introduce na po natin ang ating pinaka-special guest sa araw na ito. Na nagmula po sa Republic of Uganda. Walang iba, kundi ang star player ng kanilang women's basketball team, si Kankarota Banoa. Ayan po siya. Yan po ang pinakamalupit na woman basketball player na lumabas sa kung saan man. Ito na po siya. She will show the Mikan drill to us. Come on, Kankarota. Dito muna sa kabilang side. Hello. Talaga mamarunong to. Simula pa lang po ay palpak na. We use the backboard. Kala ko ba player to? Saan yung ba pinulot to? Nanay lang pala to ni Caleb eh. Use the backboard.
Nasa may backboard?
Walang yan. Kumuha pa tayo ng import. Palpak naman. Ang backboard yung board. Ano ba yan? Basketball player po. Hindi alam ang board. Sa gitna, don't use the backboard. Ano ba yan? Puro sablay at tira. Oh, angle. Tira, backboard. Patalbugin mo sa may square. Hala. Gitna. One dribble, one step, papuntang gitna. Okay, sa kabilang side. One dribble, one step. Oh, she's not using the backboard, obviously. So, tama na ka. Talaga, pinapakita mo mali. Halika na.
That's it for today, and thank you for being with us today, having fun with the basketball linggits. At nakikita din natin na basketball is not just for kids, but for moms like me, na umie pa lang. Wala, I'm just having fun. And watch out for Coach Bob's next edition of
Basketball fundamental.
Basketball fun
With the basket moving. Okay, say bye-bye.
Here I go, the rookie of the year, rising past your ass like Benji Perez. Cause like Jaworski, I'm built to last. Exact like Alvarez, Menez, it's only butt trigger man like I did like Janela, so strong like Carmel, tough like Shell, rebound,